This is a video on how to install a short angle bracket, also known as an L bracket, to the bottom of your vehicle, so you can attach a retractor vertically or a buckle vertically, depending on the application. If you have a pre-drilled hole or a mounting hole in the floor already, you will not need these washers. If you do not have a mounting hole in the floor and you need to drill some holes, wait till the end of this video. I will go over those steps with you at the end. But if you do have a pre-drilled hole, very easy installation. You're going to take, of course, your angle bracket and take your bolt, the long bolt for what goes into the vehicle. And easy as it can be, you're just going to put the bolt through the hole and then bolt that right down to the floor with that pre-drilled mounting hole. There are two lengths to this bracket. Use whichever one makes the most sense. There's no right or wrong, it's just there for convenience. Some vehicles, the retractor fits better when it's a longer bracket on the floor, shorter going up. Other vehicles need the shorter bracket on the floor and then the longer going up for the installation. So just use common sense. Whatever fits best is going to be the best option for you. Once this bracket is attached to the floor, you will then take the short bolt. You're going to take your nut and a lock washer. And again, this is already bolted down, nothing to worry about there. So you're going to take your retractor, your short bolt, put it through the back on the retractor, put it through the vertical part of your L bracket, take a lock washer, and then take your nut, and then tighten it down with the wrench. If it's not tight, you'll know because it's going to be loose, like it is in this video. And that's it. There's not too much extra for it. You just bolt it down, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, give us a call, 405-736-0088, and I'd be happy to help you out, or anyone else that may pick up the phone. Now, moving on to, if you do not currently have a hole in the floor, there's not a whole lot of extra steps needed. Basically, you're just going to make a hole with a drill bit. You need a 1/2-inch drill bit. And what you're going to do is you're going to verify below the vehicle before you drill that there's no gas lines or anything that might be obstructing where you're about to drill this hole. Once you have your 1/2-inch hole drilled, you're going to take your flat washer and put that below the floor pan. You're going to get your lock washer, and that will go below the flat washer, the 3-inch flat washer. And you're going to take your bolt, and that is what's going to go underneath the vehicle. On the top side of the vehicle, not a whole lot extra going on there. You get your regular size washer, the long bolt, and your L bracket. And basically, take your L bracket, take your washer, drop them through the L bracket, drop them through the freshly drilled hole in the floor, through the 3-inch washer, through the lock washer, and then on the bottom side, tighten it down with the wrench. That way, it's not going anywhere. As long as you've got that installed, you have nothing to worry about. From there, of course, same installation as I just showed a minute ago of you'll take the retractor, bolt it on the back side with the short bolt, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, again, feel free to call us, 405-736-0088, or send us an email through the website, and we're happy to help out that way as well.